May ka-text siya, guys. Hindi niya tayo pinapansin. See? Bumili na kami ng baby monitor. Wala pa kaming baby.
She's abusing me.
Nandiyan yung may-ari. Uy. Uy, that's alright. Hello, peeps! Happy Monday! Hindi sidahan because it's holiday. Today is Melbourne Cup. May ka-text siya, guys. Hindi niya tayo pinapansin. Pero feeling ko Melbourne Cup today, kaya holiday. Ang gagawin namin today is, dadalhin namin yung mga napak ko na iso-store namin sa bahay ng mama niya kasi sila ang aming storage. So, yun yung gagawin. Kakatapos lang din pala namin try on ng mga swimwear. I have one swimwear here na very, very nice. Yung mga swimwear from Kapshi, yun yung ginawa namin ni Dan. Magbihis lang ako para ma-load na namin yung car ng mga iso-store namin. Alright, simulan na natin to. This one goes, one second. This one goes, kasi na-label ko na yan. So that.
Yeah.
And then this.
Yeah, that.
So, are you gonna store it just like this? You don't want me to put it in a box properly?
No, that's why. No, it's fine. We're wasting a box. Definitely not.
Itong mga to, galing to sa kambal niya. Nung nag-declutter sila, si Dan yung kumuha. Sabi ko, wag masyado kasi malalaki. Tapos lagi niya akong sinisisi na ako daw yung dahilan ng clutter ng bahay. Gusto ko nakaganyan. Organized ba? Ayoko na open-open sila tapos ilalagay dun. Bakit siya nagmamadali? Tapos gusto na niya agad idalhin lahat dun. Wait sa. Ayoko muna. Wait sa guys. Ayusin lang natin to. Kasi ayoko na nakaganito lang tapos ilalagay dun. Gusto ko naka-organize siya para alam ko kung nasan yung mga bagay-bagay. Sobrang nagmamadali si Dan. Gusto niya agad gawin ngayon lahat. Ay, nagde-declutter pa ako. Ino-organize ko pa sila ng maayos. Okay. Lagay ko na lang dito sa box nito. Ano ba yung dinala niya? Ano yung dinala niya doon? Oh, wait, sa yung box. Okay. Mga ano to eh, pang baby to eh. Wait sa babe. What I'm trying to do is put it in box, label it, so we know exactly what to take if we need it. You know, I don't want to just store it like this. Because like, what are we storing? We don't know, you know? Nililista ko kasi yung mga nilalagay ko sa box. So like that one, ano yung nandun? See, bumili na kami ng baby monitor. Wala pa kaming baby. Bumili kami ng baby monitor nung nag-close yung Toys R Us ba yun yung nag-close? So, sobrang nag-sale sila. So, lagay natin yan baby monitor. And then, I've got these as well. NUK. Check na natin yung expiration date. NUK na nipple wipes, guys. Just gonna check the expiration date of this one, my love. Because if it's expired, there's really no point storing it. I need to throw it away if it's expired. Can you help me find the expiration date? Or does this expire?
Why would it expire?
Huh?
No, it doesn't expire.
It doesn't expire? There, oh, expiry date, see? 2019?
Still be good.
It's 2020!
Still be good.
It's for the nipples. You want the nipples for the baby to suck your nipple? You want the baby to suck expired stuff? No.
Yeah, whatever.
No.
Throw away.
Throw it away. We don't even have a baby yet. We will wait for the baby. Okay, so no. See? It's good doing this. Then storing everything that doesn't need to be stored. Babe! Mga damit. Okay. Papunta kami sa bahay ng mama ni Dan, guys. Punong-puno yung car. Oh, ano ba nandito? Basta marami. Ay, isasauli pa din, pala din namin yung pressure hose. Papunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. Kaya lang gutom na ako, guys. Kasi wala pa akong lunch. So, kakain muna kami. And lahat close. Hindi naman lahat. Yung only option namin is, not the only option, pero yung mabilisan na pagkain is fast food. Magdadumplings sana kami, kaya lang close kasi holiday. Kapag holiday dito, nag-close lahat. Walang mall, close. Walang grocery, close. Merong mga ibang grocery na open, pero yeah, mostly close talaga. Mga mall close. So, punta tayo McDonald's. Let's get something quick to eat because I'm hungry. And then punta tayo sa bahay ng mama niya. They're at home?
I don't know.
Dito na kami sa bahay ng mama niya, guys. Makikigulo na naman kami. Nandito sila eh. Magagalit na naman yun. Ayaw niya kumakain kami ng fast food. Kaya may dala-dala kaming Sensya naman. Hindi kasi nag-open yung dumpling. Wait, sa iniwan na naman ako ni Dando. Now you look alright. She's making meatballs. So good.
Haven't washed my hair, put no makeup on.
Oh no, you don't have to put makeup on.
Yeah, you do.
No, you don't. I don't.
No, you don't. I do. I'm older.
Yeah, you don't have to. So how long does it take to cook?
Couple hours.
Okay, slow cook.
I'll just cook it now. Like that.
Okay, and that's the pasta sauce already in there.
Yeah.
Amors. Nasa natin na store yung dito namin sin-store, guys. Is this your room before?
This is my room.
Ito yung room ni Don. Yun yung kanyang room. Room tour, babe. This is your closet.
It's a new closet.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Did you have a single bed?
No. I can't remember what I have.
Queen bed?
Maybe.
Diyan yung mga gamit namin. Itong mga to, hindi namin to gamit, ha. Nandun lang sa dulo. Yung mga golf clubs ni Dan nandito. Ayan. Gusto ko sana yan ipamigay. Sabi ni Dan, wala, ikikip natin yan for us. Ano siya? Siso. Yan, o. Ayan. Okay na. Amin ba to? No, that's not ours. What's happening?
She's abusing me.
You're on camera. It's fine. No, we'll just buy cheese. I like a lot of cheese. Yeah. She prepared a small container for us already.
I'm not gonna make two pieces.
No, Rose film, please.
You want to get cheese on the way home?
We're at RJ.
Yeah.
Oh, Jack.
You know what? Let's just get pasta from there as well, babe. Yeah. No, because we will go there anyway.
Get some nice one. Get some
No, we will get the same one.
nice one. Get a nice one.
That's the one that we get. Exactly. Barilla. Isn't it, Malam?
I can taste better with tortellini or ravioli.
No.
Not meatballs. Or spaghetti. Spaghetti's nice.
No, you don't want to ruin the meatballs with the meat in the tortellini or whatever that is, ravioli. That's not very good. The meat in the ravioli is not very good. This is really good.
Do you want to I have my
Sarap
steaks
na
and
yan ito.
meatballs. I don't want pasta. Maybe just actually grab a little. I don't want. Actually, no, because.
Yeah, but we will use it, babe.
No, I want.
Yeah, there's heaps there.
We'll get grapes. Oh, that looks good. That looks better than before. Oh, that looks better, babe. That's bigger. That's bigger than before. That's nice.
That's a nice bunch, that one.
Yeah. That's a really good one. See? And the leaves are still green. Get this one as well, my love.
Some we can't get to them in there.
Is it good?
Massive thing in there. Over there.
I need to use my camera because I can't read.
There's a heaps around the side there.
Ito. Good job, babe. Thank you. Pete said there's a lot at the back. Nandiyan yung may-ari. Uy. Wait, that's alright. Itong dalawang to.
Yeah, no, this one's good. Look, I'm happy with that. That'll do.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, that's funny.
Do you want to get this one? See? Or not really?
That one?
Yeah. See?
Yeah, I'll grab that.
Or this one. No, check if this one's better. How about that one?
Yeah, this one's a better one.
Okay. Ah, thank you. That looks good. Kinunan niya din kami ng apple doon. Kami na talaga ang may prutas. This is good, babe. Maganda talaga to. Mas maganda kaysa last time. We got dinner sorted and fruits.
And then soon we'll have, in winter, we'll have mandarins out back there.
Ah,
Oh, yeah, that'd be good.
nice.
Yeah, we'll put
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. I can do that. Good family, my love. Good family bonding.
That was good.
Yeah. Nakakatuwa si Pete kasi nakuha siya ng mga apple na mga, it's like, the mga apples na big enough. Tapos binigay niya sa amin. Uy, bless you. Ay, bless you naman. Ay. We got grapes, apples. Hindi ko pa na-try yung apple nila dun eh. Try natin. Green siya. Oh, yeah. You don't wanna have pasta tonight?
Nah, I don't want pasta.
Okay. Sabi niya sa akin, lutuin muna more yung meatballs kasi yung sauce niya medyo watery pa. So, I need to cook it more. It's so funny kasi kanina papunta doon, sabi ko kay Dan, kasi gutom na ako, sabi ko, sus, miss na miss ko na yung meatballs ng mama mo. Tapos hindi siya nagsalita sa Dan. Sabi ko, "Uy, nakikinig ka ba sa akin?" Kasi wala siyang sinabi. Sabi niya, "Oo, pero ano magagawa ko?" Sabi niya, "Narinig ko yung sinabi mo, pero ano magagawa ko?" Alam nga naman, sabihin natin si mama, magluto ko ng meatballs. Pagdating namin, guys, nagluluto siya ng meatballs. Nagro-roll siya ng meatballs. Sabi ko, grabe talaga. Kasi last time nung galing ata din kami Pilipinas doon, tapos sa car, kakasabi ko lang na na-miss ko yung meatballs ng mama niya. Tapos, couple minutes later, tumawag yung mama niya. Sabi niya, mag-dinner tayo, may meatballs ako. Sabi ko, ikaw na talaga, yung mga utak talaga nating dalawa na talaga. Ako at saka yung meatballs talaga naman talaga. Anyway, we're heading home. Bahay na tayo. Diretso natin yung... Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Gumaling na ako. Ay, sana gumaling na ako. Ano ba yun? Diretso natin tong, lutuin. Yung pasta sauce. Ngayon itong mama niya. Inan niya talaga, nilagay niya sa bag. Nirap pa niya. Kaya sabi niya, dapat hindi matapon niya yung sauce mo. So, tingnan niyo. Nirap pa niya dito. Ang bangong. Sharp talaga nito. So yun guys, oh. The best ever. Very good. Tinuturuan niya ako kanina. Sabi niya, ganito, ganyan. Nakikinig lang ako pero sabi ko sa kanya, huwag mo na akong turuan kasi hindi ko din yan gagawin. Kasi alam ko na kahit gagawin ko yan, hahanap-hanapin ko pa din yung sayo. Iba pa din yung sayo. So sabi niya, okay lang naman. Sabihan lang kita kung anong ingredients. Ano siya, combination ng pork at saka beef. Hindi ako nag-pork last week. So, ito yung pinaka-pork ko ngayon. Kasi nagsinigang pero hindi ako kumain ng sabaw lang konti kahapon. Like, siguro 2 kutsara lang ng sabaw kasi alam niyo naman ako, hindi ako kumakain ng maraming putahe. Nakafocus lang ako sa lobster kahapon at saka konting crab. So, sabi niya, low heat lang daw. Para ma-reduce lang yung sauce. Lagyan natin sa likod para low heat talaga. Yung Donny Boy ko nag-ano na naman sa labas. Nagwawalis na naman sa labas. Nakarating lang namin. Pakita ko sa inyo yung apples na kinuha ni Pete. Wait ka, ha? So, meron na tayong cheese. Parmesan cheese. Meron na din tayong pasta. Sabi ko sana kami na lang bibili ng pasta. Pero sabi niya, ang dami namin pasta na tira. Tapos pupunta kasi nga sila ng Kangaroo Island. So, sabi niya at least mabawasan yung mga namin. Kasi they will be wala sila for 1 week. Tignan nyo naman to! So good! Hugasan natin yan. Kasi diretso natin yan sa lalagyan. Para anytime na gusto natin kainin, kakainin natin. Ayan! And then, kumuha din si Pete ng mga apples. So, may mga malalaking apple na tayo. Sabi niya sa winter, yung mga mandarin, ano na daw, lalaki na daw yun. Pero we've got 6 apples. Yummers. Hindi ko pa yan na-try. Pero, sarap yan. Organic yan. Guys, luto na yung ating pasta. Kakaluto lang. Dan is cooking his asparagus. I can do this. Tignan ko lang siya, guys. Oh, thank you, ayaw ni Dan magpasta, so this is just for me. Just my...
Should add some sauce, perhaps, as a stick.
Oh, that's a lot of pasta.
Put it in, put it in. And then just add the sauce.
Yeah, I will.
What you don't eat, I'll eat.
1, 2. I'll start with 3. And sauce. Oh, that's a lot of
Don't forget
sauce.
cheese as well, babe.
Yeah. I love cheese, my love. I want to finish it. Okay.
No, that's plenty of cheese.
Alright, that's it. Tonight's mask is natural mask sheet from the same. Ito yung T3 na mask. And I'm watching A Decade and 8 Love Maggie. Yung kapatid ni DJ, Mr. DJ. Meron na din siyang vlog, guys. Yung ano niya, debut niya, yung vlog niya. Let's use this mask. This is the last mask sa yung mask pack na variety ba yun or trouble? Basta, kakarating lang ni Dan galing takbo, guys. Lumabas na naman, tinapon yung basura. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Wala pang alas 9, but I'm in bed. 8:56. Yeah, try ko matulog ng maaga. And yun na yung vlog. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. And kung gusto nyo lang naman, I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Sana hindi na ganito yung boses ko bukas. Sana okay na tayo bukas. Bye. Mwah.